Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hafiz Mirza Furqan Beg, academic in charge of Al Usman Institute, Dubai. Today's date is 23rd November 2024 and the Islamic date is 21st Jamadi Awwal 1446. The upcoming month is Jamadi Sani. Let us begin today's Tarbiyyah assembly. Today's topic, controlling anger. Dear children, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "La taghdab." Do not get angry. Anger can lead to bad decisions and hurt others. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us to stay calm and control our emotions because true strength lies in patience. Now I'll tell you a short story about the angry boy. Once, a boy named Zaid was playing with his friends. During the game, Ahmed accidentally stepped on Zaid's foot. Zaid got angry and shouted, "You are so careless! I don't want to play with you anymore." Ahmed felt sad and walked away. At home, Zaid's mother told him the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do not get angry. When we control our anger, we feel better and make others happy." Zaid realized his mistake and apologized to Ahmed, and they became friends again. Now I'll tell you 3 points that you should do whenever you feel angry. Always take a deep breath when you feel angry. Say Astaghfirullah and ask for Allah patience. Remember, the strongest person is the one who controls their anger. Let us make dua now. O Allah, grant us patience and the ability to control our anger. Ameen. That's all for today. Inshallah, I'll be back tomorrow with a new topic. May Allah grant us the ability to act upon these teachings. Ameen. Wassalam. Tarbiyyah Department, Al Usman Institute.